Happy Saturday, everyone. It is your coach, JNL. Here's your jolt. I'm going to knock you over the head with a spiritual 2x4. I'm so excited to motivate you guys. Let's do this. Happy Saturday, Shredder. Do you believe it is the last workout of February? Hello. Tomorrow is March. So if you guys don't know now you know. Okay, I'm going to be talking about, hello, Kathy. I'm going to be talking about the eye of the tiger. Rising up. Woo! I'm jolted today. Who's got the eye of the tiger? Who's got that hunger, that desire, that passion to attack your goals? Not just sit there and think about it. No, you got to have the eye of the tiger. You've got to believe it, see it, achieve it. You've got to push yourself beyond your physical capabilities. As I say, your workout doesn't start until you feel like, oh my God, I got to just throw in the towel. I can't do another one. But then that eye of the tiger spirit comes in. Your warrior spirit comes swooping in and saves the day, and you do more reps. That's the breakthrough. That's when you hit through the plateau to being happy and healthy and being slim and trim for spring and shredded for summer and strong. I want you to be strong like a tiger, strong like an ox, fly to new levels of success like an eagle. Okay, we're going to be working on our positive affirmations today, which are the I ams. I am the two most powerful words in the world. Whatever you put behind it comes true. So say it with me. I am strong. I am going to do this. I am never going to give up. I am going to push through when life challenges me. I am going to drink healthy vibrational beverages like lemon water. I'm going to eat healthy vibrational foods of the rainbow. I'm going to evoke my warrior spirit and kick butt. Sadly enough, there's a lot of talk out there in the streets. What do we say? Say it with me. Talk is cheap. You got to put your actions where your mouth is. Less talking, more breathing, and more, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Bring it on, JNL. You know what? I like to look at people in the fitness industry, and I look at their body because they want to back up everything with science and this and that and sound all smart, but their body doesn't even look nowhere near healthy. Their body doesn't even look nowhere near what they're talking. They can't back it up, and it's not bragging if you can back it up. I'm talking on my warrior women out there that are in their 30s, 40s, 50s, close to 60s, that daily you put on your kicking pants, okay? You put on your kicking attitude and you crush your goals, right? You crush your goals. Eye of the Tiger. This song was in what, 1982? Rocky Sylvester Stallone called Survivor and said, I need a song. Do you know why he called that Survivor guy and said, write me a song for this scene? Because Queen wouldn't give him the rights for a song, couldn't get publishing rights. So listen, tell you what, there's opportunity out there. That one opportunity when Sylvester Stallone called Survivor and said, I need a hit song for this scene, and Rocky, rising up, woo! That transformed that guy's life. He is a multi-millionaire. There's opportunities out there. I am a future multi-millionaire. Do you want to achieve that? I am having the body of my dreams. I am going to pay it forward. I'm going to put it out there to anticipate miracles, divine intervention to change my life, to have angels come into my life. Susan, Tammy, hello Eric, what is up? Susan, that is what, hello Brooke, I love you guys. Repeat after me and I'm going to leave after this. Okay, so just listen, this is it, I'm gone. I got to go and I got to get ready for the class. Repeat after me. I am collectively with my VIP sisters stepping into my VIP power with my eye of the tiger to be ready, willing, and able to receive the blessings. The blessings, the gate of the blessings warehouse, they're trembling. They're bursting open. They're about to go boom and unleash in my life. And I'm going to be, believe it or not, come hell or high water, ready to receive that. I'm not going to listen to her jibber jabber. I'm not going to listen to his negativity. And I sure as hell ain't going to listen to what she thinks of me, because I am here ready to receive my blessings. And don't be checking on me unless you got a check for me, okay? That's a good one. I had a great time last night with our Bahamian superstar. Oh my God, I love you. You are amazing. Maya and I shut it down last night. We were cracking up, laughing. That's what it's about, So when you believe in angels and you call upon them. She had a great story. She was like, I hit a plateau. I'm going to be 40 in December. Who can I hire as my coach? What can I do to get in shape? Boom, Jennifer Nicole Lee. She's the lady that's going to do it. She's going to give you that motivational kick in the butt. So when you ask and you believe, you receive. And here we are. We had a dinner last night. We kicked it, and I love her so much. She's a warrior. To all my warrior women out there, Sally, yes, you. Tammy, you kicking butt. Ain't nobody stopping you. Life is short. You got the coronavirus. God bless, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant and Gigi. You got people dying every 30 seconds from heart disease. You got people getting diagnosed with cancer every 10 seconds. You better do something with your life, and if you don't, it's a blasphemy to your higher power. It's saying, this isn't good enough for me. I'm going to sleep in and have a poo-doo party because I'm not getting what I want. You know what? Who are you? You spoiled little brat. Get up, dress up, show up, and a VIP woman, what? Never gives up. And yes, I'm waking up the neighbors because they're lazy and they need to get to going too and clean their yard, okay? So who's with me at 8 a.m. for the I Am workout? I am JNL. That's what I want to hear. I love you. Let's go, Kathy Ward. You tell Miss Kitty to get her Eye of the Tiger on. We're going to get her little tiger suit, okay? Let her crawl around while you're working out looking all sexy and fabulous. I love you guys. God leads us to JNL. Woo! That's what I want. That's what I want. Let me just be the light to a person's life, to a woman's life, to help her change her destiny. And this is a personal endeavor for me. Why? Because the devil could have killed me so many times already in my ear, telling me negative things, leading me into a trap, a dark alley, that trap door. Oh, look at me, I'm already sweating, guys. Woo! I'm having a come to Jesus moment. But listen, I take this personally. There's good and bad energy in the world. And so many times bad energy try to kill me and hurt me, threaten my family. And let me tell you what, it was like a tiger coming out of me. I was like, rawr! Don't you ever. So when I see my fellow VIP sisters falling into a trap, no, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen with me on the clock, okay? So speaking of the clock, it's going to get even better. It's going to get even more fierce at 8 a.m. Come back. If you're not a member, it's so simple. Go to jnlvip.com. Only if you dare. Warning, cautionary note. You will get a motivational kick in the butt. You will be evoking your warrior spirit. You will be getting strong as an ox and getting that eye of the tiger. So when you pay your little dollar, know that dollar is going to manifest millions in your body's bank account. Just letting you know, okay? So you're going to be upgrading your life in all areas. So get ready for the change. Warn the people around you that there's going to be a better version of you. And when you step out of your workout and you go into the world and you deal with your family, relatives, and strangers, you are going with a positive energy. Like I talked to Maya last night. She said it's like a ripple effect. You are bringing your best version. Even if that person is negative, you are going to not going to bow down the negativity. You feel better. You're vibrating. Your chakras in alignment. Your serotonin, dopamine is all firing off. So think about it. These workouts touch the whole entire world, okay? Because you are getting stronger, better, and happier from these, and you're getting more done. Who's with me? I am JNL. Well, let's go. Live at 8 a.m. jnlvip.com. Let's do this. Woo! Yes. Thank you for the positive energy. Love you guys. Sound.